Today in this video we have covered Pfaff Creative 1.5 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Pfaff Creative 1.5 Embroidery Machine is a high-performance entry-level model designed to bring creativity to life. It offers advanced embroidery features, a large workspace, and user-friendly functions that make creating detailed designs and intricate patterns easy. With a focus on precision and innovation, it's suitable for both beginners and seasoned embroidery enthusiasts who want professional results. Key features of the Pfaff Creative 1.5 Embroidery Machine. Number 1. Generous embroidery area. The machine offers a large 10.2 by 6.3 inches embroidery field, giving you the freedom to work on larger and more complex projects. Number 2. High embroidery speed. With faster embroidery speeds, the Pfaff Creative 1.5 completes projects more quickly than many competitors, while maintaining excellent stitch quality. Number 3. Over 150 built-in designs. Choose from over 150 embroidery designs and 2 built-in fonts to create personalized, one-of-a-kind projects with ease. Number 4. Color touchscreen display. The easy-to-navigate color touchscreen lets you preview designs, make adjustments, and access settings with precision and simplicity. Number 5. USB design transfer. Quickly import custom designs using USB connectivity, making it simple to bring unique creations to life. Number 6. Automatic thread cutter. This feature trims both top and bobbin threads automatically, saving time and ensuring neat, finished results. Number 7. MySunet trademark embroidery software. The Creative 1.5 comes with complimentary software that allows users to customize, resize, and create their own designs on a computer for maximum flexibility. Number 8. Precise stitch quality. The Pfaff Creative 1.5 is known for its precise and consistent stitch quality, giving a professional finish to every project. Pricing. The Pfaff Creative 1.5 embroidery machine generally ranges from $1,800 to $2,300, making it a cost-effective choice for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich embroidery machine. If you want custom, professional quality embroidery designs, digitizings.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file.